We have a wide variety of equipment for general construction type rentals, as well as landscape and turf equipment type rentals. I'm Doug Dickerson with A to Z Equipment Rentals and Sales here in Phoenix, Arizona area. We have 4 locations in what's called the Valley of the Sun. The business was founded by my father-in-law in 1960 here in Phoenix. That's where the original store was. It was actually their house was in the back of the building, and they built a small showroom on the front, and that's where the business started.
I'm Fred Matricardi, and I'm the founder and owner of A to Z Equipment Rentals. The wife and I were we were in Spain to start with, and we came to the States, and so we headed west, and we got as far as Phoenix. We were going to go to the coast, got as far as Phoenix, and we settled here. We started buying equipment and renting it, and that was how we started. Didn't know a thing about business, didn't know a thing about small equipment.
Our Gilbert store is located in what's called the East Valley. We've been in the East Valley since the year 2000. In 2010, we expanded the facility to what you see today, which is quite large. It's enclosed on 10 acres, fenced in. It's been a great business for us. The East Valley continues to grow, and we've grown along with it here. If you break our business down, we're basically broken down into rental and retail sales, both for the commercial customers as well as homeowners. We've been a BigDog dealer since 2013, and the BigDog product is very good at mulching, because we mow our grass here pretty short and very highly manicured properties, so it has to do a really good job, and it does. So from those standpoints, productivity, simplicity, and quality of cut, especially mulch quality, it's been a great line for us.
We are in a service industry that's built on relationships. What we try and do is offer the customer that relationship along with the equipment.
You come in the front door and you can get parts, new equipment, and rentals. If you get a rental, once you get that contract, we have bays, 1 through 5, and you will just pull into the bay according to what equipment you're getting, and they will load you up, set you up, and send you out.
Having the stuff in stock means a lot to the customers, because when they're down, they need to be back and running as soon as possible, and that's why a lot of them come here, is because we have one of the largest parts inventories in the valley for sure, especially when it comes to BigDog.
BigDog's wonderful. It's the old keep it simple, and the BigDog does not have a lot of complex moving parts and a lot of complex electrical system. The brake on it, which is a very simple thing, just move your handles out and your BigDog comes to a full stop. You can get off the machine. That is such a nice feature, because every other mower you have to reach down someplace to grab a parking brake before you get off. And like I mentioned, the electrical system, there's not a huge fuse bank on the BigDog. So most of my landscape contractors and even homeowners, they're not mechanics. They don't want to maintain a machine, so they want it as simple as it can possibly be, and as rugged and as tough as it can possibly be. And the BigDog fits that need.
We want our customers to always want to come back to us. It's very important to know that when they take a product out of here, that product will come back with a different problem, not the one that they originally came in here with. So that way we get repeat service from these people for the quality work that we've sent out before.
That's all you're going to get at A to Z. And so we're excited about the lines that we carry, because if they're going to be rental tough, they're certainly going to be tough, whether it's commercial or homeowner. People are going to get their jobs done.
The whole locally owned, locally purchased thing is a big deal for us, and something we like to promote, and promote amongst our customers as well.